And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. We're in the computer room for just about a minute or so. Then we go out to the shop for the money shot on my reversible lead screw project for my shear line lathe. And when I say money shot, baby cakes, it's erotic. The surface finish I get from this power feed, superlative, and it goes backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards. I got the little joystick in my hand, and depending on where I put the thumb, it's gonna go backwards or backwards or forwards, backwards or forwards, from my point of view. I is happy with myself. It does exactly what I want it to do. And all I had to buy was a fancy power supply from Micromark. And believe me, this power supply is really nice. I jumped on it because it was on sale, but it's worth the full catalog price. If you're running a small DC motor power tool, 12 volt, adjustable speed, and, well, should I say adjustable voltage and amperage, or should I say speed and torque. Yeah. And I bought a pair of mini banana plugs. These are what got used in the project. I bought 2 sets of big banana plugs, too big, and let's see, the 2 switches I used out of the 10 I paid for, so I got 8 left over for multiple things I can do with them. And everything else is stuff I had in-house, just waiting around because it was too good to throw away, and just waiting for the project where it was needed. I mean, 80 bucks. Everything else was here, already paid for. Would have thrown it away. That's too good to throw away. I'll make it into something. Well, guess what? It happens. Now, I'm going to go to the money shot in the shop. Hey gang, see this? Look, it's going towards the headstock. Nice and slow too. give it some more torque. Yeah, more torque is what I wanted. Check it out. Away from the headstock in 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You saw it go towards the headstock. Now you're seeing it go away from the headstock. Okay, I'm at 4.1 volts and my amps are cranked up to 10. I'm going to turn the spindle speed all the way up. Look at the surface finish here. I'll zoom you in on this. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's a zoom. All the way in. See the surface finish here? It is superlative. This is the surface finish I've been wanting. This one over here, you can't see it, but I can see the 16 thread per inch lead screw here. I do not see it here. Oh, let's zoom out. Hi! Poppy here, and we're in the shop, as you probably guessed. And we're looking at this. Whoa! Maybe we should shed some light over here. This sticking out from here is standard shear line part. This is a standard shear line part. This is not. This is Kirby. And it goes there we are. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. There's the power supply. I got it cranked down to 4.1 volts. And here, there we go. We got the motor running, spinning the worm drives in there, worm wheel, and it's connected to the Kirby Butler flex shaft attachment there, and here's the flex shaft itself. To here. Excuse me. I accomplished what I wanted to. I have a slow, reversible, multi-speed though, lead screw for my shear line lathe. I had to buy a power supply that I liked and a couple of mini banana plugs for the circuitry. That's it. I bought the power supply from Micromark, and it's a nice one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Turn this off. Anyway, that's a KALEAS www.kaleas.Germany. That's DE. And it's input 110 VAC, 50 to 60 hertz. Output 5 to 12 volts DC. Although it says emergency 15, I'm not going to be using it for that. Mostly it's going to be running the lead screw of my lathe. I'm finally happy with the surface finish my power feed on my lathe gives me. And it cost me the price of a power supply and a couple of mini banana plugs. Poppy's freaking happy now. Yes, he is. The next big project, my powered single point threading on shear line lathe, it's coming up after Christmas. I'm going to do a bunch of small things. Probably start Monday when my brand new shear line milling machine table is supposed to arrive. Supposed to. I'll let you know whether or not it happens. As for now, this is Poppy, and we're going to leave the shop and go back in the house and process video. Good night from California. Oh, the reason I didn't come out here earlier, like 3 days ago, the wildfires, man. I couldn't breathe out here. I mean, I have trouble, I get out of breath and dizzy when I stand up because of my heart disease. I didn't need all the wildfire smoke in the air. It's a little bit better today. So I just said, grab the bull by the horns and get some video in the can. Good night from California.